They lived to see another day, but many in Menifee County found little else to comfort them. Panicked horses looking frantically for their lost barn weren't the only ones who found themselves homeless. Neighbors struggled to pick up the pieces, just as they struggled to pull themselves together.
I was scared, I'll be honest with you. I don't scare easy, but that scared me bad.
Verna Landrum is one of the lucky ones. The roof took a beating, but her little log cabin withstood the storm.
My husband built that. He's been gone 6 years. He passed away.
But the stone that marks his final resting place refused to go, even as surrounding homes split in half or disappeared.
It's destroyed. It's just all gone.
This is what's left of Bobby Manning's mobile home. His father, Herman, sat in shock outside the ruins of his house.
It just happened so fast. Nothing you can do about it.
The storm was so powerful, it lifted the home off of the bricks of its foundation. And for those inside, the force was even more devastating.
I seen it coming. I told them to hit the dirt, and they hit the dirt. When they hit the dirt, I closed the door behind me and tried to hold to them. I couldn't hold to them.
Manning says he grabbed a mattress to cover himself, his wife, and his mother as the three crouched down in their bathroom. But wind swept them into the air as the house broke apart.
It was airborne. I went over their trailer and back down. My mother and wife was up over them trees. I don't know how high we was up. And when I dropped down.
Somehow the three survived, without even a broken bone or a broken spirit for their family.
Just try to salvage everything that we can save for them and for ourselves, and try to get it someplace safe so that we can have a little something to start again.
Despite the damage, the people of Pomeroyton can still take pride, both in themselves and what they've kept upright.
Solid. He knew what he was doing when he built that. He was a good guy. He was a good guy. I loved him a lot.
And like the monument to its builder, the little log cabin can serve to inspire.
Built to last, that's right. I just need to get a roof on it.
The house and you, right?
Right. Both of us.
In Menifee County, Gabriel Rojas, WKYT 27 News First.